Hey beauty lovers, how you all doing? Oh my gosh, it's been so long, so long. Like the last video I shot was last year. So yes, this is officially the first video of 2021. Yeah, oh my gosh, I've missed you guys so much. Like I've missed shooting, I've missed being in front of the camera. Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Eru Naturals. Yes. Oh wow. I'm so excited. Like, yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Oriva for Eru Naturals. Yes. So today I want to show you how I made this whitening black soap. Yeah, I don't think I've made anything black soap on this channel before, apart from the kiddies black soap for rashes and eczema and glow. Yeah, so yeah, I want to show you today how I made this black soap. It's a whitening black soap, and it's one of the products you get in our new release, the Awilewa set. Yes. This black soap is very effective. It's one of our strongest soaps yet. Okay, the benefit, some of the benefits includes whitening without blemishes, it fades stretch marks. Yes, it fades dark spots on the skin. Yes, it smooths your skin. It's super exfoliating. Trust me, I tried it and trust me, my skin felt so silky smooth. You know that silky, you know how silk feels. Yes, that's the feeling you get after using the soap. And you don't need a scrub. Yes, it's tiring for some people to scrub, you know. Yes, if you are that kind of person, you don't need a scrub when you are using this soap, because it is super exfoliating. Your skin is going to feel very smooth and silky. Yes. Okay. Yes, so it reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Yes, it's also anti-aging, and if you have eczema, rashes on your skin, this soap will help to take care of all that as well. It has so many amazing benefits, trust me when I say that. Yes, so it's also available in 250 grams, 300 grams, and 500 grams, though I'm sold out on all those sizes. So the sizes left are the 230 and 200 grams. Before we get into this video, you know the drill. Subscribe if you are just getting on my channel for the very first time. Please just hit on that subscribe button. It's free. See me, Oriva, Eru Naturals. I will not charge you at all. Trust me, it's free. Okay, so and thank you guys so much, my subscribers. You guys, you don't understand the love I have for you. You guys are the best too. Like, thanks for sticking with me even through all the breaks. You know, you're still here. Come to my WhatsApp to check on me and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you for those that even purchase my products. Wow, you guys are just the best, and I don't take that love for granted. Yes. So yeah, I just needed to say that. So go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. I'll come back after the production. See you, don't go nowhere. Okay, so we are here now, starting production. In this bowl I have my black soap already, and my anti-pimples balls, my white hash soap, my ozone soap already grated. Yeah, I just did everything, so it's production is quick. Okay, so I'm just going to start adding my organic powders now, right? I'm using 50 grams of turmeric powder, 50 grams of camwood powder, 50 grams of my neem powder, 50 grams of my carrot powder, 50 grams of my orange powder, 50 grams of my blue bleaching powder, and also 50 grams of my Snow White powder. This is a strong whitening black soap, right? So that's all the powders I'm using, and then I'm also going to add my hot oil. Okay, this is 100 ml. I'm going to use 50 ml of this, so I'm just going to pour half of this bottle. Because this oil is very, very potent, so I'm not using everything. That's why I just used half of it. So I'm going to mix all this together. Please, when you are doing this, make sure to wear your gloves, okay? Kind of in a hurry right now, so that's why I'm just going in with my bare hands. You know, some people like to pound. Me, I don't have stress or power for that one, so I just like to mix everything in the bowl before I add my last things. Yeah, so I forgot to let you people know also to add your kojic acid into your mix. That's 50 grams. I'll just go ahead now and add my shower bath, my liquid soap to this, and then mix finally. You all know I like to soak my soap for days before blending, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to mix this up, blend, and then pack them. So you can use any shower gel of your choice to mix your soap, right? Okay, so I've mixed with the soap with my hands, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend off camera now, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks after blending. Yeah, so creamy, right? I'm going to show you how well it lathers as well. So I have some here on my hand. I'm going to wash and show you how well it lathers. Like I said, this is a very strong whitening soap. See how well it lathers. Can you see that? So when you have to use this, just take a small quantity. I had lots from the leftovers while I was mixing, so you see that, just take a small quantity. You don't need so much. And guys, please add honey, right? Add honey to your mix as well. I forgot to tell you that because I didn't have my honey close to me while I was doing this production, so but I added it off camera. So add honey to your mixture. You see, it's still lathering. See, can you see that? Okay guys, okay, welcome back. So that's how I made the Awilewa whitening black soap. Yes, like I said, we're sold out on 250, 300 and 500 grams, and we have available right now the 200 and 230 grams. So just go ahead, and my WhatsApp line will be in the description box, or you see it on the screen right now. Go ahead and send me a message to purchase yours. Please like this video for me. Leave a comment and share with your friends. Also, your notification bell, go ahead and turn it on so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be updated. Please also become a subscriber so that you don't miss out on all the goodies that I will be sharing. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.